Intercepts are a normal part of the Baltic air policing mission. They don't necessarily happen on a day-to-day basis, but it is a routine thing, but they're always conducted in a safe and professional manner. Currently, to date, the 493rd Expeditionary Fighter Squadron has conducted approximately 30 intercepts. And again, all of these intercepts have been conducted in a safe and professional manner. The ability to intercept aircraft is important to NATO. Really, it goes back to the overall objective for the Baltic air policing mission. And really that objective is to ensure the sovereignty of the airspace for the Baltic countries. What it also does is just prove our commitment to NATO and our allies. It shows that we're willing to bring training, assets, and resources in order to meet any future security concerns.